What's up guys, this is Derek with Rizzo Auto. Today we're going to be looking at a 1982 280ZX Turbo. This thing's been in a time capsule for like 40 years. Whether from the paint, the wheels, brakes, everything. This is absolutely amazing car. I'm actually stoked of having this car here and working on it. It is, like I said, amazing. So nothing's been restored or modified on this, so let's take a look. As you can see, I love this turbo hood scoop. The paint on this car is absolutely amazing. The bumpers, usually I would see that these bumpers are, because they're plastic on the top, they're wrinkled and warped. This thing's absolutely flawless. Still has the original badge and it is in absolutely great condition. Normally these things would have like a lot of corrosion and because it's made out of aluminum, so it has oxidation on them. Even to these guys, for the headlights, the washers, they all work, which was super cool. I was bugging out when I had this working. I was like, whoa. Like all of the moldings on the side of the car, it's in really good shape. All the 280ZX Turbo, all the badges are absolutely amazing.
Except for the Rising Sun.
The Rising Sun, yeah. Owner loves it, so he stuck that on there. This car, like, there's no scratches, no dings, no dents on it. Absolutely amazing. If you guys were here and you could actually rub your hand on it, it feels like it just came out of the factory. He's been taking care of this car, absolutely amazing. What I love also, in the 80s, everything had to be chrome. All the chrome are in great condition. Like the windshield seals, normally would find these guys where they're all peeled up and the plastics are pulling. This thing looks like it just came out of the showroom. T-tops are in immaculate condition. They look brand new. There's not much words to say. If you're looking at them, they're great. Also, these guys, the fins on the side, usually these things are all dry rotted and cracked up and they're discolored and warped. They're absolutely amazing. This car is a gem. Another thing that I'm really amazed at is that the wheels. Usually these wheels are all corroded and because of the aluminum, and they're icky looking with green stuff on them. These wheels are in perfect condition. Moving on, electrical antenna. When was the last time that anyone you see that the whole antenna is down on an old car like this and it actually works? This thing works. It is all the rubbers and everything, it's still soft and pliable. On the hatch, all the rubbers and everything, chrome, they are in pristine condition. Same thing with the rear bumper. Rear bumper is in immaculate condition. Looks like it was never painted. Tail lights, they look fresh as you pull them out of a box, which is really cool.
Well, you could see me in the video.
Nice. This is how clean this car is. This car is amazing. Then we have the iconic badge here, Datsun 280, powered by Nissan. That's in the transition era, but super cool. Moving on to the gas cap. Look at this thing. It's not floppy. It still has spring resistance. This thing's in great condition. All around this car, everything is just nice and soft, pliable. Once again, same thing. You're almost afraid to touch this car or even drive it on the street. Look at that. Nice and soft. Door cards are in great condition. Let's take that key out. Window switches and everything work on this car. Let's take a look at the side sills. They no scuffs, no scratches. They look brand spanking new. Of course, the big part is the dashboard. It's not warped or cracked. All the gauges are in the original spot. This car was never taken apart. Like I said, it was in a time capsule. Seats are nice and firm. They're not saggy like the other ones that we normally see. It's got a cover over it, and look at this thing. Amazing. He even have some of the service manual, the OEM service manual on there that he's found and kept along with the car for many years. Let's take a look at the trunk area. Whoa. Carpets and stuff like that is still in great condition. That's the spare and the jack and stuff like that. We're not gonna go pulling all of that apart, but no cracks, nothing on it. You can see how nice and clean everything is on here. All right, let's take a look at the engine bay. This thing opens up so nice and smooth. Well, it's fitted with the usual L28 turbo. All of this stuff is pretty original, like all the hoses. All right, this is the L28 single cam, fuel injected turbo engine that's in this car. It's fitted with an automatic transmission, which in my opinion makes them a little bit faster, and it's still fun to drive. All the hoses and stuff like that, it's all original. Injectors are still original injectors, which is amazing on this. We still have all the power steering hoses and the AC lines and everything still intact and working, which is pretty cool. And like in the time era period, these things were always there. So I guess if you need to look at something at night and it still works. Pretty awesome. So I've been working on these cars for quite a while. By far, this one is the cleanest one that I've seen, other than the one that's sitting in the back of me. This car was actually great to work on. Like I said, it's a time capsule that just popped back out after 40 years. I've worked on these things where they're rusted so bad that you're afraid to put them on the lift because the floorboards would cave in, the strut towers would fall apart, stuff like that. Went there from 100,000 miles to, I think the one that we had most was like 325,000 miles, and it was still going, but the body just fell apart. This car is in absolute pristine condition. So it was a privilege of having it in the shop and working with it. These cars I've worked on 240s, 260s, 280s, all the way up to present day 370s, R35s, R32s and 33s, all the JDM stuff. But it's an absolute privilege to have this rolling history that just looks like it just came off the showroom in the shop and having us to just look it over and make sure everything's good and pristine on it. So I'm actually amazed and thankful that we get to do this stuff. If you love seeing rare JDM classics and performance builds, make sure you subscribe. We've got plenty more coming. All right guys, this is it for this video. We have lots of other videos that's coming along. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.